Hello, I'm Lore. Today I'm going to show you the operation buttons inside the cab of the 6-wheel drive off-road truck. Here is the vehicle instrument display panel with air pressure gauge, tachometer, odometer, fuel gauge, water temperature gauge. This is a light switch. This is a wiper switch. The next step is to talk about the operation buttons of this block. This red button is the hazard warning light. This is the radio to listen to favorite channels. This is the adjustment button for the air conditioner. The wind direction, temperature, and airspeed can be adjusted. This is the differential lock, the whole toggle button, the dryer button, and the cigarette lighter. The transfer case is high and low 2-speed, low on the bottom and high on the top. 1 to 4 are low grade, 5 to 8 are high grade. RL is low speed reverse. RH is high speed reverse. This is a handbrake. To pull up is to park, and to pull down is to drive. This is the reading light. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in us, please follow us. See you next time. Bye bye.